The key to this problem is the ds and its shape. Here is the ds and its shape. So we have to draw the figure of this cone. Here it is the z axis and this y axis, and y axis is from this point and perpendicular to this plane and inside this plane. Here we can see this as z from here to here. This is the radius r and this is the slant height hs. Here we see that r equal to z, so hs equals to root 2z because this angle is pi by 4. And as I said, the key to this problem is the shape of ds. Its shape, if you take a small elementary area, then its shape will be like this. All are curved line. These two are curved line, and suppose this as a b c d, then for elementary area AB will be equal to CD almost, and AD will be equal to BC. Thus DS will be equal to DL into DHS. DL is the, suppose here is a circular area, then DL will be elementary part of circumference of this circle. So DL will be equal to r d theta, because if you take a circle, suppose here a circle, then this DL will be r radius and this d theta. So DL will be r d theta and DHS from here will be root 2 dz. Now we can go for this integration. Here this integration, double integration. This double integration will be here in the question it is x square plus y square, and from here it is equal to z square. So this will be z square, and here ds is r d theta root 2 dz. Again you see here r is equal to z, so here will be equal to z, so z and z square will be z cube dz root 2 d theta. Now it is very easy to calculate. From here, if we integrate with respect to z, this will be z will be 0 to 1 and theta will be 0 to 2 pi. So this will be z4 by 4 from 0 to 1, and d theta, integration of d theta will be theta from 0 to 2 pi. There is additional root 2. So this will be 1 by 4. This will be theta 2 pi, here root 2. Calculating this, we will get pi by root 2. So our correct option will be B, pi by root 2. Here is one problem for homework. you can solve and can send to this number.